Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. So in this video today, I'm gonna show you guys how to apply fake lashes. But there is a twist. I'm not gonna apply the regular fake lashes which you have to apply with a glue. Instead, I'm gonna apply magnetic fake lashes because I'm someone who cannot apply fake lashes with a glue because I have tried tons of time and I was failed every single time. So if you are someone who includes in that family, then you are most welcome to watch this video. And even if you are someone who can apply fake lashes very well, if you are a pro, but still you can watch this video because magnetic fake lashes makes your job really easy because the glue which it comes, it's so easy to stick your fake lashes. So that's the reason why I thought why not just make a video and let people know how to apply magnetic lashes. Because earlier I have seen many such videos where you apply magnetic lashes, but the only difference is that there will be two pairs of magnetic lashes for a single eye. So you have to kind of stick the upper band to the lower band, so you will have to do in that way. And even the videos which I saw in the internet were little tricky, and even they have reviewed and they have told that so this is not working anyhow, so I haven't tried those lashes. So the other day I was scrolling on Amazon and I have found these magnetic lashes which you have to stick on with a magnetic glue which comes in it. So I was just curious to know how does this works. Few days back I have came across that Boho girl Kritika. She was applying these particular magnetic lashes with the glue and it was so easy to apply and it was so quick. But before making this video I have tried these magnetic lashes in my earlier video as well, but I haven't showed the process of applying it because I was just trying it for the first time. And I have liked it so very well because I am someone who cannot apply fake lashes because I have tried multiple times to learn applying fake lashes with the glue, and every single time I apply glue it kind of sticks on your upper lash and it becomes very difficult to remove that glue. Or sometimes I make such kind of makeup where I need to apply fake lashes because I don't know how to apply, so I was always regretting because of that. So I'll just show you these fake lashes in a while. So I have tried this for around twice I guess before making this video, and it was really easy. Even removing the lashes and removing the band, in fact the glue which comes in it's a kind of eyeliner only, so it becomes very easy to apply or remove it. So that's the reason why I liked it, and I can give like 10 on 10 for this particular product. Also keep on watching this video till the end because definitely there will be something exciting which you will be seeing in this video, so stay tuned. So before getting started, you make sure that your hair is away from your face and make sure that your hands are super clean as well. So I'll just show you the packaging, how it looks like. So this is the particular fake eyelashes, magnetic eyelashes, which you will get on Amazon. So I'll leave a link for your easy purpose in the description box below. And this is how it looks like. It's written over here magnetic eyelashes, and this is in the shade 002. So this is how it looks like. So you will get 3 pairs of eyelashes and a glue and an applicator. These are like heavy lashes, not so daily wear lashes. So there is a number. So these lashes are 15, and then I have 16 number, and then I have 20. These are the largest lashes I feel. So as you can see, so let's just go with the 015. So these are the lashes which I have tried. So this looks little bit natural, so I'll just prefer this one because these two are super heavy. So there is a usage method written on this package. So before applying your fake lashes, you have to make sure that you are shaking very well this particular glue. Apply the magnetic liner to the eyelids and wait it for dry, and then you can apply your eyelashes. So that is what it's written as. Nothing much, there is no ingredients written over here. So let's just see, because I have applied twice, so I haven't saw any irritation or itchiness on my eyes. So I feel these are completely good quality. And the other one which I have seen Boho girl using is this. She had 5 pairs of lashes I guess, if I'm not wrong. I'll just start applying the glue. So this is how the glue looks like. It comes like a eyeliner applicator, which makes your job really easy because the applicator looks so thin, as you can see. And the best part of this particular glue is that this is in the color black, because if you apply a glue which is in the color white, so after applying the lashes there will be little bit of residue which is left over your upper lid, and then you have to cover it with the eyeliner. If you're someone who have sensitive skin or sensitive eyes, then what you can do is you can apply a coat of a liner, the regular liner which you use, and then you can use this particular glue on top of that, and then you can stick your eyeliner. That way your skin will be protected directly in contact with this particular glue. So that's the another thing which you can do. But if you're someone who is like comfortable, then you can obviously use this, but I would suggest you for the first time you can just use a regular based eyeliner, let it dry, and then apply this particular glue on top of that. Before applying my fake lashes, I'll make sure that I'm curling my eyelashes and applying a single coat of mascara, so that my natural lashes as well as the fake lashes comes together and does not give like difference in between them two. So I'll just curl. And I'm gonna use the Maybelline's Hypercurl Voluminous Mascara. So I'll just apply a single coat of this particular mascara, and this is not the waterproof mascara. So you can use any sort of simple day-to-day mascara. So you don't have to go over the top and apply a coat of mascara. You can just apply single coat of mascara, and that's more than enough. So I'll just apply it. Fake lashes gives much more extra volume to your lashes. So what you can do is you can apply like nice coat of like 2-3 coats of mascara to your lower lashes, so that the upper lashes and lower lashes comes together and looks neutralized or normal. So that's more than enough for now. So I'll just start applying fake lashes. I'll just remove the extra glue. Also make sure that you are applying to the inner corners of your eye. Don't bring it to your eye, just make sure that you are applying going towards inner side as well, because what happens is if you miss applying towards this area, then your eyelashes will not stick onto the inner side of your eyes. Just wait for like 10-15 seconds, and then your glue little bit it becomes like sticky, and then eyelashes sticks on very well. So I'll just let it dry. The length of this particular eyelash is perfect on my eyelids, but someone who have little smaller eyes, then I think you will have to cut it. But what you can do instead of that, you can just use this instead of cutting. Just don't cut these eyelashes, because however the eyelashes comes in normal size. But if you're someone who have little bit smaller eyes, then what you can do is you can just draw a little bit of wing, like not too lengthy, and then stick on this and just stick towards upper side. So now I think this particular glue is sticky enough, so I can just stick on this particular eyelashes. So okay, make sure that you're bringing your mirror so close to your eyes. I feel comfortable applying eyelashes with my hands, because I have tried applying with the applicator which comes in, but it makes little bit difficult to apply. Yeah, it's done. As simple as that. Just make sure that you are pressing it properly towards your liner. The only tricky part is that applying lashes towards your inner corner, but no worries, you can obviously learn this. It takes little bit of patience. As you can see, it took hardly 5 seconds to apply. It looks like normal only, not too fancy or not too heavy. As you can see, this looks pretty. As you can see, there is no residue of any sort of glue. This looks completely as if you have applied eyeliner. I think I'll just try with this applicator which comes in. Let's see how this works. So this is how it looks like. So I'll just hold my lashes in this way. voila, it's done. It hardly takes 5 seconds, I guess. But if you are a pro at applying fake lashes with a glue, but still it takes like 5 minutes or maybe 2 minutes, sometimes it might take 15 minutes also, because I have seen many such lives on Instagram where they apply lashes in live, and it takes more than 5 minutes sometimes, because it kind of makes tricky. Sometimes it's really easy to apply, but sometimes it kind of plays with you. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much done, and this looks so good. I mean, how how the game immediately changes after applying your fake lashes. Go backwards to this video and just see the before and after of my lashes, or maybe eyes, or maybe full makeup. How does it looks after applying eyelashes? Obviously the makeup goes to the next level, so that's the reason why I wanted to apply lashes, but I was unable to apply it. Once you are done with applying your lashes, what you have to do is just make sure that your natural eyelashes and your actual fake lashes are clumping together. So just take your natural as well as fake lashes together and kind of press in this way. Be gentle on your eyes, don't be harsh. Your fingers are very close to your eyes, so you will have to be very gentle. So this is how it looks like. I'm completely happy with the look, because as such I haven't done any sort of makeup, just I have applied very thin layer of foundation, concealer, as just a single eyeshadow I have just blended, because it should look little bit of presentable. So it hardly took me like 10 seconds, I guess, that's it. And I have stick on my magnetic lashes, so this makes your job really easy. The link of this particular lashes will be in the description box. So this particular eyelashes costed me around 580 or 590, I guess. I don't remember the price exactly, but I'll leave the link in the description, and also I'll just display it on the screen somewhere, like here or there, so you can obviously check it. And you're getting three pairs of lashes with a applicator as well as a glue. Just mention everything in the description box. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it is so, please hit that like button, and also subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. And also let me know in the comments below that how this video was and how did it help to you. I'll leave my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen or in the description box below. You can go follow me there for more updates, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.